In this video, I'll show you how to try and fix the green line issue on your Samsung Galaxy phone if it appears right after installing an update. Main causes of the green line issue: hardware damage or damaged display cable. Note, in most cases, you will need to get the phone repaired to fix this green line. However, before heading to the service center, you can try the following methods. Method 1. Display hardware test dialer code. First of all, open the dialer app on your phone. Now type *#0* and wait to appear. As soon as you type it, a special diagnostic menu will appear on the screen. Follow this step within the menu. First of all, tap on the red option. The screen will turn red. Then go back. Tap on the green option. The screen will turn green. Then go back. Tap on the blue option. The screen will turn blue. Then go back again. Lastly, tap on the black option. The screen will turn black. Sometimes switching between these colors can help make the green line disappear. Method 2. Factory data reset. If the first method doesn't work, your last resort is to factory reset your phone. Although the chances of this working are very low, it does not work in about 90% of cases. It is still worth a try before handing it over for repair. Warning: make sure to back up all your important data, photos and videos before doing a factory reset. A reset will wipe all information from your phone. How to factory reset? Open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap on General Management. Scroll down again and click on Reset. Now scroll and tap on Factory Data Reset. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap the Reset button. Enter your phone's screen lock password for confirmation. Finally, click on the Delete All button and wait for the process to complete. Final solution: service center and warranty. If the green line still doesn't go away after the reset, there is no other choice but to get the phone repaired. If the phone is less than 1 year old, if your phone is under warranty, Samsung will repair it completely free of charge, subject to terms and conditions. If the phone is less than 3 years old, in some reason Samsung promise to fix this issue for free at least once, even after the warranty has expired. Therefore, take your phone to the nearest service center to get it checked. If necessary, you may need a display change. I hope you found my video helpful. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.